Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 8-foot Christmas tree. Now, this is no ordinary Christmas tree because it's a smart tree. You actually can download an app and then control everything from the app. Whether your lights, you can set up timers for it, everything. It comes with this nice base that collapses down for storage. Then you've got your little hooks to keep it all in place. And then it's all just super simple from there. It has 4 different pieces. So to start, all you do is they each come with these little caps. You pull the caps off, and then you insert it from largest to smallest. Just put them in, and then as you go, you will have the little cords at the top that you will then need to connect to the next piece, so they will all light up at once. So I'm gonna set this all up, and then we are gonna check out the colors. All right, I've got the tree all set up, and this thing is huge. At 8 feet, you can easily adjust all of these around, but my favorite is this whole color thing. You can change your colors just from this app to whatever color you want. I mean, there's like 16 million different colors that move around, or you've got preset colors if you want different colors, red, white, and blue, yellow, white, yellow, red. I mean, there is just an endless amount of things on here. And then you can also set it up just like here's a Halloween tree, and it kind of goes through with different festivals and themes, forest tree. You can actually set it to do for music. So if you wanted it to jump along with music, it'll do that. It'll strobe with the music. And if you didn't want to use the app, you do have it on your phone as well. Or sorry, you can use the remote as well to then control everything just by pressing the button. So if you're not technically inclined, use the remote, grab that. It does have a timer that you can set. So it'll just go through for different hours and then turn off and come right back on, so you don't have to worry about it. But this is a really neat tree that looks beautiful. I love the display and how huge it is. It's gonna look so pretty for the festive season.